we are in the beach, guys, okay? This is like a destination reunion.
Anything you want, darling. I know. It seems like years.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Moving in all directions.
Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double.
Pabili lang ng pala!
I feel alive.
Ako? Banggitin pangalan niyo. Ay nangangako. At hindi papapako. Nagagawin ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya. Upang maging malakas. Masaya. At kapag pakinabang.
Censor naman yun eh.
18 years old above tayo. Sa araw na ito. Ngayon lang. Susunduin ko ang mga alituntunin. Basta ganun lang. Ng paligsahan sa tabing dagat. Sasayaw ako ng mga tugtugin kapag pinatugtog. Mali yun. Kapag kinakailangan. Okay. Alright. Makikipag-chismisan. Bakit to? Makikipag-chismisan ako
Parang labas yan eh.
sa aking mga kabadge. Kabadge at kaibigan. Upang maging masarap ang balik namin sa nakaraan. Babagat ng gratuita at yung mga mo daw ba? Titiisin ko ang migraine, ang rayuma, at kung ano-ano pang karamdaman. Dahil minsan lang sa talambuhay ko na kami ay magsasama-sama ang magsasaya. Hindi ako magiging KJ. Hindi ako magiging KJ.
Killjoy. Killjoy.
Magiging bibo ako sa lahat ng time. Ikaw na.
Congratulate all of you for working out to have this, for reaching this 25th year anniversary. What I remember most was Monet when I used to coach her in her declamation, diba? But anyway, I think I remember the group to be very active. Napaka-active yung group, and most of you have been winners in the different contests. Just like what Sister Lourdes said sa Subol, and the press conferences. I cannot forget Julian, Julian Rosario. Yes, okay. He gave honors for Dominican School in sports writing. Sina Monet, yan, we went to regional in Ilocos. Anyway, I would like to